Kaya the things which you have heard from me, binigay ko to sa iyo, narinig mo to sa akin, meron kang stewardship na dapat pangalagaan. Pinagkatiwala to sa iyo, huwag to manatili sa iyo. In the presence of many witnesses, entrust this to faithful men. You see, Timothy, ako mamamatay na ako, I fought the good fight of faith, and mamamatay na ako, pinasa ko sa iyo. Hindi ka rin mananatili sa mundo. Maaring mamatay ka din one day, but you have to pass that on to faithful men. How would you know that these are faithful? They understood the truth. They are faithful to the truth. They are loyal to the truth. They're willing to die for the truth. And they love the truth. Then who will be able to teach others also? Itong mensahe na to, pinapasa lang ito. Hindi ito parang iimbentuhin mo pa. Hindi mo pwedeng baguhin ang mensahe na yan. Kasi ang mensahe na isa lang, the gospel who is Christ Jesus.